Hello, my dear friend, class 12. Now, today I am going to discuss the drama proposal where I am already stopped on the last day. That was the beginning of the story at the drawing room. Now, today, thereafter. Now, today I have collected some words that are very important. আমরা আজকে যেটা পড়বো সেটা পেজ 72 to 75. And these words are very important. That is privilege, applying, count on, palpitation, lunatic. According to the passage, according to the dialogue, the play, there are different meaning. A normal meaning is priority, privilege priority, applying pleading, count on, to depend on, embraces, hugs, palpitation that is passion or eagerness যারা আগ্রহ অনেক বেশি, lunatic যারা আমরা ইনসেন বা পাগল। এরপর যে ওয়ার্ডগুলো রয়েছে these are negligee, loose gown for a kind of dress that used in household work, and wedge that is positioning very tightly, that is wedged, in property to, in perpetuity to, that is forever, চিরদিনের জন্য, and decients, it's a unit for measuring the land in Russia, plural form of decitia, and finally that is recon, it's calculated one things. Now last day we have seen that Lumov and Shubakov are discussing about their address and being a neighborhood. Lumov came to Chubakov's house with a nice dress, and there was a lot of discussions about the dress and the program. Now, Chubakov aside to Shore, he is come to borrow money. She will not give him any allow. What is it, beauty? My beauty. So Chubakov thought that Lumov came his house just for lending money. ধার নেওয়ার জন্য এসছে, এটা মনে মনে সে বলল। she would not give him any, আর কিন্তু দেবে না। Maybe Chubakov actually given a lot of before this incident. And what is it, my beauty? Now just you want to turn the matter aside, the matter from what he is actually thinking. What is it, my beauty? Bah, কি সুন্দর আমার প্রিয়। He just actually giving him welcome. Now you see honor Stepanovich or honor Stepanich. I beg pardon, Stepan. On which I mean I am awfully excited, as you will please notice. In short, you alone can help me, though I don't deserve it, of course, and have not any right to count on your assistance. Now Lumov little bit, simple, little bit kind-hearted, and tried to minimize the matter just to give him a proper honor to Stepanich. It's a Stepanich, Stefan Honorich, or honorable Stepanich. These are the words of এখানে আরেকটা ওয়ার্ড দেখবে Stefan Honorich, that's honor, and with a Stefan, these two joining of word, blended of this word actually shows the general laughter of the situation. এটা হয়তো তার জিভার ভুলেও হতে পারে, it's a pronunciation, wrong pronunciation, but actually Lumov wants to shows that he also honored Lumov, Chubakov by heart. So you alone can help me. Above all, Lumov came here for the hands of Chubakov's daughter. That's why, and have not any to count on your assistance. He thinks that only Chubakov can fulfill his desire, nobody. Oh, don't go around and round it, darling. Spit it out. Well, one moment, this very minute, the fact is I have come to ask the hand of your daughter Natalia Stepanova in marriage. So finally, Lumov expressed his desire that he came here just for the hand for his daughter Natalia Stepanova. After hearing this, oh, joyful by Job, when Ivan Veslovich say it again, I didn't hear at all. I have the honor to ask. Means after hearing that a landlord, actually higher class of a landowner, wants to marry a middle class or the lower middle class family's daughter, it's a really joyful to Chubakov, and that's why he never believed that Lumov actually wanted to marry his daughter. And that's why he again and again say, repeat it please, I don't hear. Means he can't believe himself that actually Lumov wants to marry. Chubakov interrupting, বলতে যাচ্ছিল সে, I have the honor to ask, আমি সত্যিকারের তোমাকে সম্মানের সাথে এটা বলতে চাইছিলাম, আমি জিজ্ঞেস করতে চেয়েছিলাম, বাট স্টপ ইট। Chubakov stop it, interrupting মানে বাধা দিল, my dear fellow, I am so glad, and so on. Yes, indeed, and all that sort of things, embraces and kisses. Lumov, I have been hoping for it for a long time. It's been my continual desire, said Setia, and I have always loved you. Kante jache, kanche, kente bolche, means it's a water of tears of joy. আনন্দের যেন স্রোত বয়ে যাচ্ছে তার কান চোখ দিয়ে। সে একবার এমব্রাস করছে, তাকে আঁকড়ে ধরছে, একবার করে তাকে কিস করছে। কাকে? দ্যাটস whom he wanted, that actually came here for lending money. যাকে চুবকভ ভেবেছিল সে আমাকে ধার করার জন্য, টাকা ধার করার জন্য এসেছে, সে যে তার মেয়ের বিয়ে করতে এসছে, it was really puzzled for him, it was really unexpected for him. And I always loved you, my angel, as if you were my own son. My God give you both his help, his love, and I did so much hope. What am I behaving in this idiotic way for? I'm off my balance, with joy absolute of my balance. Oh, with all my soul I will go, and I'll call Natasha and all that. Ultimately, Chubakov was really happy after hearing that Lumov came here just for the hands of his daughter. It was really unexpected to him, and behaving totally different after hearing that he was going to give a new relations with Lumov and Natalia. Honored Stefan Stepanovich, do you think I may count on her consent? That Lumov was quite doubtful whether he would be perfectly present himself or acceptable himself in front of Natalia. Natalia's সামনে সে কি নিজের গুরুত্ব, নিজের ইম্পর্টেন্সটা তুলে ধরতে পারবে? That's why he was quite doubtful. Why, of course, my darling, and as if she would not consent, she is in love, aged, she is like a love-sick cat, and so she would not be long. And he exit. Lumov was quite doubtful whether Natalia accepted his proposal or not. Whatever would be happen, Chubakov really noticed him that whatever would be happen, he would really really manage the matter, and it would be happen. According to his order, Natalia would do that. There is no problems at all. She would avoid him. She would like a loves cat. Means, as per order, she can do what he wants. Now Lumov greatly moved. It's cold. I'm trembling all over, just as if I had gotten an examination before me. The great things is I must have my talk a lot to look for an ideal or for real love, then I will never. So Lumov was quite less confident, and he was not quite sure that Natalia would get the proposal and accept it, maybe get married. But it's cold. Natalia Stefanova is an excellent housekeeper, not bad looking, well educated. What more do I want? But I am getting a noise in my ears from excitement and drinks. Now, this is actually the panic situations to Lumov, because Lumov knows very well that Natalia was well read, means he was intelligent, good housekeeper, good looking, means it is really comparable to Lumov and Natalia. Maybe Natalia rejects his proposal, and he will be again returned to his house without getting the hands of Natalia. What he was doing on that time, when he was thinking about Natalia, he was more panickable, and he drinks a lot of glasses of water one after another. And it is impossible for me not to marry in the first place. I'm already 35, critical age. So to speak I suffer. To speak in the second place, I ought to lead a quiet and regular life. I suffer from palpitation. I am excitable and always getting awful upset. At this very moment, my lips are trembling, and there is a twitch in my right eyebrow. But the very worst of all is the way I sleep. I know I'll sooner get into bed and begin to go off when suddenly something in my left side gives a pull, and I can feel it in my shoulders and head. I jump up like a lunatic, walk about a bit and lie down again. But as soon as I begin to get off asleep, there's another pull, and this may happen 20 times. So this dialogue of Lumov expressions, that how much panic he was palpitated, trembling, he was upset. All these words expresses that how critical age he was. কতটা গভীর পরিস্থিতির মধ্যে সে রয়েছে. He was 35 years, and it is the last stage of marriage. And if he would not marry properly, it's never be possible in his life to marry again. And what happened in that time, he actually thought about his life story, that he was not be comfortable in his life without Natalia. Suddenly something in my left side, means something uncanny would be happen. What is left and right? What is right and left? All this is going to be wrong. He was lunatic sometimes. কখনো কখনো সে যেন পাগল হয়ে যায়, ইনসেন হয়ে যায়, and he was walking in sleep. ঘুমোতে ঘুমোতে হাঁটতে থাকে. And these are all actually happens because of the age. And soon as I begin to get off sleep, there's another pool. And what happens? It's like a ghost. ভূতের মতো যেন হতে থাকে, তার ঘুমের ঘরে সে হাঁটতে থাকে, and sometimes someone is pulling him and thinks and giving some idea that he was in the last stage of marriage. In this passage actually giving that how he was painful and panicable is before expressing himself in front of Natalia. He was not properly preparing himself whether he would disclose the matter or not. In the meantime, Natalia Stepanova comes in. While there, it's you, and Papa said, go. There's a merchant come in his goods. How do you do, Ivan Vasilevich? How do you do honored Natalia Stepanova? So that's actually now Stepanova actually informed by her parents that a merchant came. But who is merchant? He is my neighborhood. He is well known to my family. So how are you, my Vasilevich? Similarly welcomed by Lumov also. You must excuse me, Apron and negligee. We were selling peas for drying. Why haven't you been here for such a long time? Sit down. They sit themselves and don't you have some lunch? Means they are quite known to each other because their family are attached to each other for a few years. Ultimately, Natalia Stepanova welcomed him and came here with a full apron of household work. He was busy, and after watching Lumov, she suggested him to take the seat and welcome with a lunch. No, thank you. I have got some already. Means Lumov totally wants to inform him that he was coming here with all preparation. He had taken all the foods. Then smoke. Here are some matches. The weather is splendid now, but yesterday it was so wet that the workman didn't do anything all day. How much way have you sacked? Just think, I felt greedy and had a whole field cut, and now I am not at all pleased about it because I am afraid my hay may rot. I ought to have waited a bit, but what's this? Why you are in evening dresses? Well, I never. Are you going to a New Year's Eve? Are you going to a ball or what? Though I must say you look better. Tell me, why are you got up like that? So this Natalia's expressions here. Now she welcomes Lumov with all sorts of facilities by giving the smoke, by giving the drinks, and explain all about what happened yesterday. কি ঘটেছিল গতকালকে, how they was sacked, তারা কিভাবে ভিজে গিয়েছিল, how they drenched the the field. They passed, they actually cut the crops properly, but they were not pleased because their crops were wetted with the rain. তার দুঃখটা সে প্রকাশ করছিল as a neighborhood. And finally he asked why he has dressed up like that. He was dressed up like a New Year's ball, or a new dresses. Actually its look are different, and that's why Natalia wants to know why he had dressed up like these situations. Lumov was excited, means he thought that yes, this is the right time to express that he came here for Natalia. You see, honored Natalia Stepanova, the fact is I have made up my mind to ask you. The fact is I have made up my mind that ask you to hear me out. Of course, you will be surprised and perhaps even angry, but it's a full code. I mean, Glumov wants to say something that I want to marry you, I want to love you, but actually he was not supposed to parany. That what he said that you may be angry, you may be accept, তুমি রাখতেও পারো, আমাকে গ্রহণও করতে পারো, but it's awfully cold, খুব ঠান্ডা লাগছে বাইরে, means he was actually diverted the matter and unable to say what's the matter. Pause. Well, দুজনেই কিন্তু থেমে গিয়েছিল. And what happened, Lumov? I shall try to be brief. You must know, honored Natalia Stepanova, that I have long since my childhood, in fact, had the privilege of knowing your family. Now he tried to change the matter, and it's transformed to their childhood. It's given their priority that how the two families were well connected to each other. My late aunt and her husband, from whom, as you know, I inherited my land, always had the greatest respect for your father, and your late mother. Lumovs and the Chubakovs have always had the most friendly, and I might almost say the most affectionate regard for each other. And as you know, my land is near neighbor of yours. You will remember that my oxen meadow touch your virtues. Now the another proposal is given to here. What is this? That how they were connected to each other, and how Lumov and Chubakov were a great friends to each other in a family connection. But what happened? Now the proposal about again another thing, that is Oxen Meadow. Where is Oxen Meadow? That was the biggest land, a farming land near about the Birchwoods. That's all, my dear students. Now today that's all. এখান থেকে কতগুলো প্রশ্ন আমি নেক্সট দিন দেবো, সো একটু স্টাডি করে আসবে। দ্যাটস অল, থ্যাংক ইউ ফর ওয়াচিং দিস চ্যানেল।